Well, I'd like to thank EKSA for sending me these GTI Cobra wireless gaming earbuds. So they sent me this package to review and see what way they work in terms of how good they are quality wise, and do a review and let you guys know whether they're worth the buying or not. So let's get into the unboxing of it anyway first, and then we'll do a review of what's coming up next. So as you can see, these are what comes with it. So it's a USB with the dock, and then different sizes of the earbuds on it, just to say fit your ear depending on what the size of your ear. I've always struggled with, say, earbuds where, say, the actual tips are too big. So now we'll get into the actual review to see what it's like using for gaming on the phone, and see if it lives up to its name. So, like, as you can see from the design, like the head design, I don't know if you can guess it or not, but, and it says in the name as well, it's a Cobra head design, and it's quite unique and it's nicely done. So it has a bit of style integrated into the design, as well as being very useful, and it has a physical noise reduction as well, which is very handy now with with headphones. You know, just say being in different environments and different surroundings and stuff, it's very important nowadays anyway to have a noise reduction in it. And so it has a multifunctional touch as well, so if you're listening to music or anything, you know, say the usual, like double tap to play the next song, one tap to pause, you know, so and so on and so on, and it's very helpful and makes it easy for the user. Let's get into the gameplay of it and see how that goes. So you have to pair it with the phone. I already just paired it already, and literally you take out one of the earbuds and turn on your Bluetooth, and it automatically detects it and connects in very easily. It's quite simple. So as you can play through, I don't know if you can hear it now, but as I'm playing away, the sound play is brilliant, because it is, you know, it's quite loud, but it's not too rough on the ears. You know, it's nice and smooth, and it provides a 38 milliseconds ultra-low latency, which is perfect, and it also has 36 hours of playtime with the charge included. So the box, I think it's 6 hours. Then just one standalone charge, which is ideal. You know. So as you can see the gameplay here now, the sound is quite nice. It's quite loud, but like I said, it's not too rough on the ears, and it's ideal for, say, people that use it for, you know, gaming on the phone and stuff like that. So I would highly recommend buying these anyway. So there's a music mode also in it, as well as, say, the gaming mode, which is quite easy to switch around in, and it's ideal then because it has the dual uses where you can use it for music and games, and it makes it ideal for everyone to use, really. Like, it's splash resistant as well, which is ideal just in case you had an accident or something like that, and has voice assistance in it. So I would highly recommend these anyway to anyone that's looking for a gaming headset. and using the code in the description down below, you can get a 15% discount if the order is over 25 euros, and it's an ideal headset for people that want to play on their phones and aren't too big into playing on the consoles. I would highly recommend it.